Hi everybody, on the stand today here at the Akron Museum of Old Bicycle. This bicycle, I'm not sure exactly how old it is. I believe Matt, my friend Matt, who owns this bike, told me I think it's a World War II paratrooper bike. Not sure, but I don't see any place where the frame would fold up. Seems very original. Don't know about that. It doesn't have skip tooth, but it's got these blackout rims. Everything's green. It's got this old saddle, original. It's got some lettering over here on the other side. I'll show you that in a second. And then over here we have this storage box. Seems to be a sticker there or something. But as you can see, it's pretty rough. Pedals work. Crank turns. Pretty tight. And then here's a lever for, must be that front brake. Don't know, it doesn't seem to do much right now. I guess that's the front brake. Somehow this lever is involved with it. I'll bet you it's right, all that right there, but that must operate this. Yeah, it's moving a little bit when I squeeze. When I squeeze the handle, you can see it just a tiny bit of movement. Old headlight. Here's the emblem. As you can see, it's been underwater. There's the Owa, Iowa. It looks like I don't know what it says. But there it is. That's the next project. Clean it up. See what happens. There's the generator. There we go. That's what I'll be working on next. So I did discover what this lever does. So here, when I pull this, you can see that does move that lever, but also that thing pops up and down. And I guess that's an adjustment. Gonna have to be lubed, but that's unique. Must be a disc brake. It's about to take that off. Thought you'd like to see that. All right, so here's the front wheel, and I got there's a nut and a washer that was holding this assembly on. And I'm wondering what was inside, so you pull it off. And lo and behold, drum brakes. Look at that. I wonder if anybody's going to turn these for me. But who knew? Drum brakes, how about that? Isn't that something? I guess that would be the logical answer, considering that the technology, the the disc brakes didn't work. It didn't get invented for a while, so funny. Made it real heavy though. Boy, oh boy. So here we are back again with the bike on the stand that's I found out. And it's a Swiss Army bicycle, 1930s era. That would explain the blue and yellow. So I'm not sure what the Swiss Army, they must just standard issue bicycle for some officers or some soldiers, who knows. Anyway, that's what it is.